Hey there, Wes Dove here with Dove Development Consulting. We recently wrapped up a look at how we can make sure that we're providing, as leaders, the employees in our organization with a crystal clear picture of the purpose that they are really wanting to achieve, that they're driven by, that they're motivated by, and so on. And we've got to connect it to ours as an organization. Now, what we're going to do here is we're going to look at how can we do the hard, the dirty work of connecting the monotony, the day-to-day, the routine, the mundane, the boring, whatever, to something monumental. How can we make sure that they understand that everything they contribute to, that they put their time, their energy to, how does it really, really matter? Because it does for organizational purpose and for their individual purpose. So what we're going to do here is we're going to talk about how the basics, even the most basic things on a day-to-day basis, not the grand things, just the basic things, how they are so critical in reaching that organizational purpose, how they've got to happen. We've got to do them well. We've got to execute. We've got to do all we can to exceed expectations, because that's exactly what helps us sustain what we do as leaders in the organization, whether we're owners, executives, managers, whatever. What we do to help sustain the investment we make in them to move them toward the purpose that they're after, that really motivates them. And that's how we make sure we build a win-win. The part that I'll wrap, if you dig through all this, I'll really challenge you as we wrap this up into looking at, hey, it's an organization. Are you winning, or are all of you winning? Right? Is it one-on-one? Is it just the organization? Is it just you as the owner, the leader, whatever? Or is everybody on the team able to get a piece of the pie in the process? Because if we as leaders are looking for how do they make us win, how do they make the organization win, how do we reach our own individual purpose, but we neglect passing that forward. If we say, hey, we're going to have a pizza party, but you only get to have 2 slices. If we do whatever those things may be to limit how it impacts our team members, at some point in time, the proverbial stuff's going to hit the fan, right? And it's not going to continue to draw out that best discretionary effort. And we won't win as an organization either if we're not taking care of our people. Now, one of the things I'll say as we wrap up here, we're going to move forward shortly. We're going to talk about the impact of that individual purpose and how they can measure their daily activities to see how it truly does make a difference in reaching that organizational purpose, as well as their individual purpose, how they can see it so they can learn to reflect, they can measure that process, and they can really say, hey, I'm moving forward when I do this, this, and this on a daily basis. We'll dig into that soon. If you've never done it, though, I challenge you to take a look at the quick video assessment that walks through a couple select questions to really figure out where you're at and what are the things that you're dealing with in your role right now that we might be able to help you with on a small scale or even a big scale, depending on where you're at. Maybe you're in a spot that, hey, a quick shot in the arm, a webinar, something free or complimentary, that would really benefit you. We've got some of those things, and we can tailor it for you if necessary. We've also got some really well put together digital courses, low cost, high value, that could help you too. But where we specialize is how can we create a custom program, whether it's for you individually or the team you're responsible for, to really capture that lost profitability in your organization. And I promise you, it all boils down to leadership. Hopefully one of those things could serve you. Love to have a conversation with you. Most importantly, hope right now some of what we work through here serves you well, and it really helps you capture some cool results in helping your teams move toward that real purpose that matters to them. Make it a great day. We'll see you soon. God bless.